Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer user management from Okta into no-code detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to both your Okta and no-code platform accounts. Log in to your Okta dashboard. Navigate to the admin section of Okta. Select the Users tab from the side menu. Identify the user groups you wish to transfer. Take note of user roles and permissions in your Okta environment. Now, open your no-code platform in a new tab. Log in to your no-code platform account. Navigate to the User Management section of the platform. Locate the option to import users or manage users. Return to your Okta dashboard. Export the user data from the Users tab. Choose the appropriate export format supported by your no-code platform. Complete the export process and download the file. Next, switch back to your no-code platform. Initiate the user import process. Upload the exported user file from Okta. Map the fields from the Okta export to the corresponding fields in your no-code platform. Review the user roles and permissions for consistency. Make necessary adjustments to ensure proper mapping. Confirm the import settings and finalize the user import. Monitor the progress of the import process. Once complete, verify that all users have been successfully transferred. Test the functionality of user permissions and roles. Adjust any settings as needed based on the initial testing. Document the entire process for future reference. You can now manage user roles and permissions directly within your no-code platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.